We got a 2017 Honda Accord here. I'm gonna do all lost keys. We already have the keys cut, but the customer wants to erase all the keys because it says 5 keys registered and he only has this one and then the other one that I made for him. So I'm gonna delete all the keys and then I'm basically gonna show you guys the process. So put the key in ignition. Then we're gonna go to all keys lost. It's already connected to the OBD2 port on the car. Showed 5 keys on it. So we're gonna put 2 keys to learn back. It says turn the ignition switch off. Turn the ignition switch on. Turn the ignition switch off. So I'm just turning the ignition off, the whole dashboard off. It says turn the ignition on with the next key. So now I'll take out this key. Now I'm gonna put the second key in. Turn the ignition on. Okay, then it says turn the ignition on. So now I'm gonna turn the ignition on. Now I'm gonna turn the ignition on. So the dashboard lights up. Turn the ignition off. So I'll turn the ignition off so the dashboard's off. Turn the ignition on using the same key. So I'm going to turn the ignition back on. Did the immobilizer light go out? Yes, there's no key light on the dashboard. So we're good to go. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. The current number of keys now is just the 2. That's it. Turn the ignition off. Check all keyless access remotes to make sure they work. Okay. And that's it. That's the process. So I'm gonna try to start it with this key. Car stays on, doesn't cut off, it's good to go. Now I'm gonna try the next key, factory key. Starts the car, good to go. Everything's good. Now I'm gonna check to see if the keyless access works. Lock and unlock. Lock works, unlock works. Okay, so that's good. The buttons all unlock. Lock works. Alright, both the remotes are functioning correctly. And good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.